Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change profile picture in Temu account on Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support this channel. And so without no further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly here of course I'm going to open my Temu applications, and now in this page, if you want to change your profile picture, you just have to go to this Me option at the bottom. Now go ahead to your profile at the top left, like this, and it will look like this. I guess as you can see, I don't use any profile picture. If you want to change it, you just have to tap on it like this. After, go ahead to this photo option at the top. Now in this pop-up, you just have to choose existing photo by entering to your gallery, or you can also tap on this take photos if you want to take a real life picture by open the camera. Here I'm gonna open it by gallery. This is my gallery, I guess. You can choose for the photo that you want to use for your Temu account. For example, I'm gonna use this one. And after here, you can adjusting first like this, and if you're done, you just have to tap on this checklist button here at the bottom. This is for the result, yeah guys. My profile photo on my Temu account is already changed. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.